Welcome to the Hitchhiking Guide to LA. Tip number 1, take a guide from anybody. I mean anybody. But watch out for those crazy psychos. I'm a doctor. He's dead. Oh yeah, he's dead. He's got twitching syndrome.
Are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Answer me when I'm fucking talking to you. Are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Can you hear me?
Leave me to this man. Are you okay?
Who the fuck are you?
You okay, Mr.
We don't do that like on the streets of Compton. Oh, we're in LA. Wait. God, wake up!
Oh shit, run! Welcome back to the streets of LA, run!